The Axis Y Dark Spot Correcting Glow Serum is a unique Korean skincare formulation crafted to address dark spots and boost your skin's luminosity. With a potent combination of base ingredients, a core ingredient, and a blend technology, no wonder this serum has gone viral across social media. Now, in this video, we'll dive into the main ingredients in this serum and explain the benefits so you understand how it works within the skin. We will also provide a clear step-by-step guide on how to use the Glow Serum in your skincare routine. So if this is your first time on our channel, we do specialize in skin education and skincare product reviews, so don't forget to hit the subscribe button and hit the notification bell to never miss a new video. The Axis Y Dark Spot Correcting Glow Serum has 6 base ingredients in the formula. The first base ingredient is squalene. So squalene is actually derived primarily from plant sources like olives and sugarcane, and it is really known in skincare, and it closely resembles the skin's natural oils, the lipids. It effortlessly hydrates by sealing in moisture, offers antioxidant protection against free radicals, and fortifies the skin's barrier, all without clogging the pores. It has really good absorption, ensuring a non-greasy finish and making it suitable for all skin types. Now, additionally, squalene also has anti-inflammatory benefits. It's also beneficial for those who have acne and eczema. Then we have papaya as the next base ingredient in this glow serum. Now, papaya is rich in the enzyme papain, offering natural exfoliating properties that aid in the removal of dead skin cells, promoting a brighter complexion and helping to fade hyperpigmentation. Now, it also has high vitamin C content, which inhibits melanin production and also helps to defend against free radicals. Papaya can be a really great ally against dark spots. The next ingredient is sea buckthorn. So sea buckthorn is a powerhouse of nutrients with a unique combination of vitamins, fatty acids, and antioxidants. So when this ingredient is applied to the skin, it actually promotes hydration, aiding in tissue regeneration and fights any oxidative stress. It's rich in omega-7 and omega-3 content, which helps to reinforce the skin's natural barrier, ensuring moisture retention and overall health. Now, the presence of vitamin C and E will help provide a protective shield against harmful free radicals, helping with inflammation and hyperpigmentation and overall preventing premature aging. The next ingredient that is contained in this glow serum in the base ingredients is rice bran. Now, rice bran is rich in antioxidants, vitamins, and fatty acids, and in skincare it does act as another gentle exfoliant, which will help speed up cell turnover and brighten the complexion. Now, its natural oils do hydrate the skin, ensuring suppleness and reducing the appearance of fine lines. Now, it also has the presence of ferulic acid, ensuring that helps with any premature aging, hyperpigmentation, and protection against UV damage. The next base ingredient in the Axis Y Dark Spot Correcting Glow Serum is allantoin. This ingredient actually has soothing qualities, helping reduce skin irritation and redness, making it particularly beneficial for those who have sensitive or inflamed skin. By promoting cell proliferation and wound healing, it can also support the skin's natural repair process. Now, it's also going to offer hydration, exfoliation, and healing in one neat package, so it's no wonder why Axis Y have included this ingredient in their glow serum. Then we have calendula as the final base ingredient. Now, this is a familiar ingredient that has been used for centuries in skincare that is really good to promote healing and anti-inflammatory properties. Calendula also offers antioxidant protection, helping against free radical damage, and supports the skin's natural healing process, accelerating the repair of blemishes and acne scars. Now we've gone over the base ingredients within this glow serum, we do have one core ingredient, which is niacinamide at 5%. Now, niacinamide is also known as vitamin B3 and is a powerhouse ingredient in skincare known for its wide-ranging benefits. It is also one of our favorite ingredients. It helps strengthen the skin's barrier function, improving its ability to retain moisture and fend off environmental aggressors, and it has anti-inflammatory properties which will help reduce redness and calm acne-prone skin and rosacea. Now, it also additionally targets hyperpigmentation by inhibiting the melanin production, leading to a more even skin tone and brighter complexion. Now, overall, with all of these ingredients and this unique formulation, Axis Y Dark Spot Correcting Glow Serum really creates that unique blend, promising a revitalized, even-toned, and radiant complexion. So let's take a look at how to actually use the ingredient in your skincare routine. So you want to begin by cleansing your face and ensure that you've got a dry skin. If you use any toner as a part of the routine, you can apply that after you cleanse. Then you want to go ahead and dispense the glow serum onto your fingertips and then apply to your face, neck, and décolletage. Finish with your usual water-based serums, oils, and finally finish with your moisturizer. If you're using it during the day, do finish with a sunscreen. Now, given its potency, this serum is perfect for those who are concerned with uneven skin tones, dark spots, or anyone that is actually just chasing that radiant afterglow. If you are interested in learning more about achieving that glowy skin, check out this video here next.